Are you looking for ways to make some extra cash without any prior experience or hard work? In this video, we'll introduce you to some easy and convenient ways to earn money from home with minimal effort. These websites offer a variety of tasks that you can complete to earn money, such as taking surveys, watching videos, and playing games. The best part is you don't need any experience or special skills to get started. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or anyone looking to make some extra cash, these websites are perfect for you. So sit back, relax, and let's explore some great opportunities to earn money without breaking a sweat. Number 1, Savvy Connect. Savvy Connect is a website that pays you for participating in market research studies. It works by installing and tracking software on your device, such as a computer or smartphone, which monitors your online activity and provides valuable insights to businesses. As a user, you can earn up to $5 per month just by having the software installed on your device. Additionally, Savvy Connect offers opportunities to participate in paid surveys, which can earn you even more money. Payments are made through PayPal, and you can withdraw your earnings once you reach a minimum of $1. Savvy Connect is a great way to earn some extra cash while sharing your opinions and helping businesses improve their products and services. Number 2, Validly. Validly is a website that pays you for participating in user testing studies. It works by connecting you with companies that are looking for feedback on their products or services. As a user, you will be asked to perform specific tasks on a website or mobile app and provide your honest feedback on your experience. You can earn up to $10 per test, and each test typically takes around 15 to 30 minutes to complete. Payments are made through PayPal, and you can withdraw your earnings once you reach a minimum of $5. Validly is a great way to earn money while also improving the user experience of various products and services. Plus, it's an interesting way to discover new websites and apps. Number 3, ListFirst. ListFirst is a website that pays writers for creating interesting and informative articles. It works by providing a platform for writers to submit their own original articles on a variety of topics, including history, science, and pop culture. If your article is accepted, you can earn up to $100 for a list of 10 items. Additionally, ListFirst offers a quick cash option, where you can earn $50 for a shorter article that meets specific criteria. Payments are made through PayPal, and you can withdraw your earnings once you reach a minimum of $100. ListFirst is a great way to earn money while also exercising your writing skills and creativity. Plus, it's a great platform to showcase your writing to a wide audience. Number 4, FreeCash. FreeCash is a website that pays you for completing simple tasks such as downloading apps, completing surveys, and watching videos. It works by providing a platform for users to earn points, which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. You can earn up to 500 points per day, which is equivalent to $5. Additionally, FreeCash offers a referral program where you can earn additional points by inviting friends to join. Payments are made through PayPal, and you can withdraw your earnings once you reach a minimum of $1. FreeCash is a great way to earn some extra cash while completing easy tasks in your spare time. Plus, with the referral program, you can earn even more by sharing the website with your friends. Number 5, Userfeel. Userfeel is a website that pays users for participating in user testing studies. It works by connecting you with companies that are looking for feedback on their websites or mobile apps. As a user, you will be asked to complete specific tasks on a website or app while providing your honest feedback on your experience. You can earn up to $10 per test, and each test typically takes around 10 to 20 minutes to complete. Payments are made through PayPal, and you can withdraw your earnings once you reach a minimum of $10. Userfeel is a great way to earn some extra cash while also helping companies improve their user experience. Plus, it's an interesting way to discover new websites and apps. Number 6, Prolific. Prolific is a website that pays users for participating in academic research studies. It works by connecting you with researchers who are looking for participants for their studies. As a user, you can choose which studies you want to participate in based on your interests and availability. The amount of money you can earn varies depending on the study, but most studies pay between $0.50 and $3. Payments are made through PayPal, and you can withdraw your earnings once you reach a minimum of $5. Prolific is a great way to earn some extra cash while also contributing to important research studies. Plus, it's an interesting way to learn about a variety of topics and participate in academic research from the comfort of your own home. Finally, we encourage you to give them a try and see how much you can earn. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others who might be interested in earning extra money. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit our website for more information. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.